Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing my first Skewb. So a Skewb is a Rubik's Cube type puzzle that I heard is very easy, and I really wanted to solve one and have one. So I have a Skewb right over here. It's from a company called Monster Go, and this company is made by another Rubik's Cube company called GAN, as you may heard of. I also unboxed a GAN cube on my channel. It's inside this bag, and it's a 3x3. It's called a Granny 11M Pro, and I love it very much. It has magnets and it's very fast, and this cube also has magnets. And yes, I'm really excited to open it, so let's start. The packaging is really hard to open. Inside the box we have this cube, and here is the Skewb. I never held a Skewb before, so it's like very weird. Oh, it looks very cool. It's also very satisfying, and it's also magnetic, and I think you can also adjust the magnets or something. I've never heard of I never seen this before, so yes. And I'm gonna do something very scary. I'm gonna try to scramble it. Okay, I'm gonna scramble it. And yes, I think I've scrambled it. So let me actually try to solve it. I need to do the white side first. I can't turn like this because it won't turn like this. It will turn like this. I'm used to it turning like that. Let me see. I don't know what's happening. If I do, I don't know, it's very confusing. It's super confusing. If I do that, this corner will go out. And yes, it's very hard to solve. It's in the right place, but it's not in the right position. And I don't know what I'm doing, but it's really hard to solve it. I'm gonna look up a tutorial, and if I can solve it, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this channel on how to solve it. I saw people on the internet doing something like this. I don't know. Yes, but it's too hard for me to solve it, so I have to look up a tutorial. So yes, it's also magnetic. I don't think it's magnetic, is it? I don't know. And I think you can also adjust some things, and I don't know. I'm not a Rubik's Cube expert. Wait, let me see. No, you cannot open the white side. So yes, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel to find more amazing videos like this, Rubik's Cube videos, and I also make origami videos sometimes. So yes, see you guys next time. Bye. Oh guys, I almost forgot. This cube also has instructions with it. It shows you how to solve the cube. It also has a Chinese side.